own little stinky waterfall.
I don't think we're going to be able to move that filing cabinet if it's full of water, so I'll have to get some of the guys out to move it.
I poked holes in the rest of it. Nope, that doesn't work.
That locks it, so that's just shot.
Nothing. Still cleaning out the shed. I'm not even close to being done. I mean, this is like a complete shed full of stuff, so like almost to the roof.
That's our life in there. The history of the McGregor/Winslet family.
What is that? Oh, bowls. And a Santa Claus.
No,
GE
not at all. It smells like sewer water.
Radio player. You got that?
Mm-hmm.
We went into my mom's house and we all took our masks off and it smells like mold in there and we're just like, this is so much.
No, it's like some of those. Is it Tupperware?
Yeah. Those are supposed to go in the oven and the microwave and in the refrigerator.
Really? You're not supposed to be off yet, are you? You're not supposed to be off yet, are you?
Some of the stuff I just can't get to because of all the water.
Last time you did that.
Alright, this is a vacuum for the airbag. Electric air pump. Ian!
Hold on. What?
Come get this, please.
Yeah. Hold on a second.
She
We
can't.
don't have seconds, buddy. We're losing daylight.
Alright.
These are Christmas bags. Here, bring the garbage can over here, Bill.
Alright, what?
These are new.
Yeah.
Down here. Christmas bags.
I'm ready to fall. Who
Oh,
is
that's
this?
my adjuster.
Yeah.
More Christmas bags. These are new. I got 4 of these.
Okay.
They're little card holders.
Hi.
Okay, can I call you back in a minute?
See, she has her mask on.
Oh.
Did they get the walls inside off yet?
Yeah, do you want to see it?
Oh, yeah.
Wait. The metal thing. I have new masks up there too.
I don't think they're really doing any good.
No,
Makes
no,
me
I
feel
mean, they're
better.
doing a little.
Christmas boxes. Wine thing, new. Canister. Here, Ian. See if you can open that. More Christmas boxes.
Because I have buzz on. Okay.
Christmas boxes. This is like a ton of, I don't even know how to count all the Christmas stuff. Let's see.
You're just going to have to guess. I mean, you got so many boxes there.
Sorry.
It's okay. He's got me scared now. I've got an open sore on my...
Christmas bag. Isn't that cute? That was cute.
I've got an open sore on my shin, and I'm going, I'm dying, I'm dying, I'm dying.
Oh, little angels.
As
These
long
are,
as flood water doesn't get in your cut, you'll be
here,
good.
Ian, put this over there. This is salvageable. Christmas bow. Aw.
Is it starting to rain?
stocking.
Oh, Mom made those, didn't she? Yeah, it's starting to rain.
Mom's gonna have to make me new ones. Bow,
Wonderful.
ornament. Okay. Ribbon. And time to dump this down the hill.
I wonder how it would be if you got a black widow bite, then floodwater got in there.
Not good.
That'd be healthy, right?
It would just be really a rough thing.
That would not be good.
It would be, let's go to the doctor right now. Well, you go to the doctor with just the bite anyway.
I mean, it's like
yeah.
you better go to the doctor today or else
That's
you're going
right.
to die or lose a limb.
Ian, I need you to see if you can pull that gray thing out for me.
I mean, they're not as dangerous as some people make them out to be.
We're going to have to stop with the rain.
Yeah, we are going to have to stop with the rain.
Oh, I got to get in what? I got to get into the house and we got to throw away what's out here and close it back up so people don't.
You'd think somebody'd be nuts to even think about it.
Let me tell you what those guys got out of my house. I couldn't believe it. Vacuum cleaner immersed, refrigerator immersed, computer immersed, monitor immersed.
And they stole it?
4 feet of water it sat. No, they came in, they said, can I have that? So after I get a picture, I don't care what you do with it, I'm going to throw it away. Hardbacks, hardback.
I don't know what that was, but...
Hardback little book. This is all one
watch
book.
out, Mom. You gotta watch out, there's water. I don't know what I just broke, something broke and water just went everywhere.
Okay, that's alright. Well,
I know, I'm just telling you to watch
Ian,
out.
this is heavy. You might want to take it on up.
I'm just dragging it.
This is a little hardback. Hey Ian, this is an electronic chess game.
Yeah.
I was trying to open it. Oh man, look at that.
Stupid that I've got bug killer all sprayed
I
everywhere.
know, they're still biting.
Uh-huh.
This is one cool thing, only it's full of water now. Alright,
Okay, we're recording.
camera case, CD case, CD case. It's a little Memorex CD case. An HVAC thing, and firewire, USB cords, headset to plug into the computer. Too stinky to figure out what it all is separately. Okay, great. Alright, this is iOmega zip drive. Cable. Oh, that's the zip drive charger. Windows XP software. CD case
Oh, man.
full of software. Okay.
Got it.
Games. About how many pages do you think that is? And it's double each side of.
It's probably 25 pages,
Thanks
so
for
you probably
squirting
got
me.
50 in
So
there.
I'm squirting it on
In the
myself.
head.
I didn't know that, Ian. Operation. Just Yahtzee. All these are software games.
Drain it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. And the case.
It works.
Shoot. Really
Watch
good.
out, Mom.
I don't want it on my feet.
I decided I would drain it.
All right. This is high capacity 90 watt charger and the whatever I forgot what those are called, SD cords or something. Hey Ian, don't get it on your feet. Have you got any sores on your feet?
Mom, it's not getting past my shoes. My socks aren't wet.